Meaning of isolation.
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 Isolation. Isolation typically refers to the state of being separated from others or feeling alone. It can also refer to a physical separation, such as being quarantined to prevent the spread of disease. Isolation can have both positive and negative effects on individuals, depending on the context and how it is experienced. For example, some people may appreciate having time alone to focus on personal growth or creative pursuits, while others may feel lonely or disconnected from their social support networks.